Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica, the Simple DIYer. If you're already a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I upload a video. Also make sure you hit the video like button and leave me a comment below. As always, you can check the description box for a list of the items I used, and let's get started. In today's video, we're going to be making this cow canister set and Home Sweet Home metal sign. I'm going to start off by taking two of these metal 4th of July signs, and I'm just going to remove the jute twine off of both of them. I'm going to use the sides that are painted in case I want to use the galvanized side for something in the future. But basically I'm just going to go ahead and use some hot glue and glue these together to make one longer sign. I do recommend an E6000 glue though for a more permanent hold. Taking my apple barrel paint in the color white, I'm just going to paint the whole front of the sign, and I did this by dabbing the paint on, that way a little bit of the metal actually shows through. And this is what it will look like once your sign is fully painted. Next, I'm going to take this Home Sweet Home wall sticker and just apply it to the front. And whenever you apply the sticker, just make sure that you apply it and kind of bend the sticker in with the grooves on the sign. I hope everyone's enjoying my video so far. If you are, please make sure you hit that like button down below because it really helps out my channel a lot and is very much appreciated. Once you have the stickers fully applied, I'm going to take that jute twine that I took off one of the signs, and I'm just going to place that back on to use as the hanger. So in today's video, I have a question for everyone. What is the theme for your kitchen, and what is your favorite colors to use with that theme? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorites are. For this second project, I'm going to start off with 3 of these glass canisters from the Dollar Tree, and I didn't film this part, but I took off the metal as well as the plastic seal. Once I had those removed, I spray painted it in the Rust-Oleum spray paint Blossom White. Now you can cover it up, the inside, that way it will be food safe. Once the paint was fully dry, I went ahead and reapplied the silicone seal to all 3 of the lids. Next, I took all of the metal pieces, and I would normally use a black spray paint, but I didn't have any and I can't find any in stores right now. So what I did was just took the apple barrel paint in the color jet black, and I went ahead and painted each of the metal pieces. And this is what they look like once they were painted. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put all the metal pieces back onto the canisters, which are really easy to do. You just kind of push them together and then they'll just slide back in place. This is what they'll look like once they're fully painted and reassembled. I do suggest using a clear coat spray on these to seal the paint to prevent it from chipping. Next, I'm going to take these 3 plastic cows and just arrange them on the top of the canisters in the direction I want them to face. Once I have them all laid out, I'm going to go ahead and glue each one to the top of the lid. I am using hot glue, but I recommend again an E6000 for a permanent hold. And with these being on place, it still allows you to be able to open and close the canister with no problem. To finish up my canister set, I'm going to take this plastic organizer and use the Rust-Oleum spray paint in the color Blossom White. Just go ahead and spray the entire thing. I'm also going to take this jet black apple barrel paint and just outline the bottom of the tray to give it that enamel look. Again, I do with this as well, suggest spraying it with a clear coat to prevent the paint from chipping. And now your canister set is complete. The jars fit perfectly on the top of the tray. That way you can easily remove them to refill them or to use them. You don't have to glue them down, but you can glue them to the tray if you like. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. As always, you can leave me a comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, hope everyone has a great day.